Hi, I'm Shirley from Apt, here to show you how easy it is to use the roasting feature on the Miele Speed Oven. A speed oven is a full convection oven, a 1000-watt microwave, and an oven broiler all in one. It's great for everyday cooking or large entertaining when you need a second or third oven. So today we'll be making an herb roasted turkey breast with roasted vegetables that we've already prepared for the making of this video. But if you'd like the recipe, check out the description below. So now it's time to use our oven. We're going to click operating modes. We're going to click Combi Auto Roast. And as you can see, it uses the microwave and the oven function for faster cooking. We're going to use the microwave level 3. We're going to set our temperature at 375. And our core temperature at 165. And we are ready. Now, as you can see, it starts off searing, and to do this, it brings the oven temperature up to 450 degrees to sear and to lock in flavor and moisture, then drops back down to set temperature until done. To learn more about Miele products, visit us at apt.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.